Friday, October 24th, 2025, AGNDD intelliReport topic 3I_Atlas. Please pardon any visual and informational inaccuracies in this entirely AI-generated article-based video. Discover 3I/Atlas, the interstellar comet detected in 2025, showcasing early activity, volatile emissions, and cosmic insights from global telescopes. 3I/Atlas, an interstellar comet, was discovered on the 1st of July 2025 by NASA's Atlas telescope in Chile at magnitude 18, entering the inner solar system at 61 kilometers per s. Initially designated A11PL3Z, it was located 3.50 AU from Earth. Follow-up and pre-discovery observations from ZTF and Atlas confirmed its hyperbolic trajectory, ruling out Earth proximity. Obscured by galactic center stars, it was hard to spot earlier. Observations on the 2nd of July revealed a coma and tail, confirming cometary nature. MPC designated it 3Y and C 2025 N1 Atlas, with 122 observations from 31 observatories. Observations of interstellar comet 3I/Atlas in 2025 revealed active cometary features, including a reddish evolving coma with dust, detected by telescopes like Nordic Optical, TIDE, and VLT. Precovery images from May-June showed early activity at 6.4 AU, driven by non-water volatiles. Detections included water ice, vapor, CO2, cyanide, and nickel. Polarimetry indicated icy dark material mix. Hubble constrained nucleus to less than 5.6 kilometers. JWST provided NIR spectra. JCMT measured rising HCN production up to 4.5 times 10 to the 25th molecules per second, asymmetric coma approximately 180,000 kilometers, and dust tail. Magnitude reached 14.2 by mid-September. Future Hubble JWST observations planned. 3I/Atlas, an interstellar comet, follows a highly hyperbolic trajectory with excess velocity of 58 kilometers per s, exceeding previous objects like Oumuamua, 26 kilometers per s, and Borisov, 32 kilometers per s. Its eccentricity of 6.137 makes the path nearly straight. Perihelion occurs on October 29, 2025, at 1.36 AU from the Sun, reaching 68 kilometers per s. Tilted 175 degrees to the ecliptic, it approaches Mars, 0.19 AU on October 3, 2025, Venus, 0.65 AU on November 3, Earth, 1.80 AU on December 19, and Jupiter, 0.36 AU on March 16, 2026, posing no Earth threat. It will escape the solar system. Comet 3I/Atlas is a faint object peaking at magnitude 11.5, invisible to the naked eye or small binoculars but observable with 8 12-inch telescopes. From July 2025, it brightens from Mag 17.5 in Sagittarius to 16 in Ophiuchus, moving through Scorpius and Libra in August, reaching Mag 12, 13 in September. Visibility narrows near perihelion on October 29th, hidden behind the Sun during conjunction on October 21st. Post-perihelion, it's visible pre-dawn in November, dimming below Mag 12 in December through Virgo and Leo. Mars orbiters and satellites may capture it near peak. 3I/Atlas is an interstellar comet identified by its hyperbolic trajectory and high speed, originating from Sagittarius near the Milky Way's center, unlike prior objects from the solar apex. Its southern origin challenges predictions, suggesting such objects may be more common. Velocity analysis shows U 51, 0 kilometers per s radial, and W equal sign plus 18. 5 kilometers per s vertical, indicating a tilted orbit in the thick disk. Studies estimate its age at 14 billion years, potentially older than the solar system, 4.6 billion years, making it possibly the oldest known comet. The interstellar comet 3I/Atlas cannot be traced to its original parent star due to billions of years of Milky Way travel, mixing with other stars and speed changes from gravitational encounters. A 2025 study notes it passed within 1 parsec of 25 stars in the last 10 million years. Its CO2-rich composition, observed by JWST and SphereX, suggests formation beyond the CO2 frost line in a protoplanetary disk around a low metallicity star in the galactic disk. It was likely ejected by a giant planet or stellar encounter. Comet 3I/Atlas exhibits a fuzzy coma of gas and icy dust from solar-heated outgassing, forming a dust tail as particles trail away. Activity began by May 2025 at 6.4 AU, with no outbursts noted by August. The visible coma spans approximately 26,000 kilometers, growing denser nearer the Sun. A larger CO2 coma extends 348,000 kilometers. Reddish hue from micrometer-sized dust grains ejecting 6 kilograms per s small and 60 kilograms per s large particles. Similar to 2I/Borisov, it risks fragmentation as activity intensifies. In July-August 2025, Comet 3I/Atlas's coma appeared elongated westward toward the Sun and its motion, initially mistaken for a tail but actually a dust plume from the sunlit nucleus, where faster ice sublimation ejects more dust. This resembles features in distant comets like C2014 UN 271. By late August, the elongation faded, replaced by an anti-solar tail, though August 26th images show the inner coma remains fan-shaped and brighter on the sun-facing side, indicating the plume persists. Hubble images from July 2025 revealed Comet 3I/Atlas with a faint, broad anti-solar tail pointing eastward, away from the Sun, formed by solar radiation pressure on ejected dust particles. The tail appeared foreshortened, hidden behind the coma due to viewing geometry. By late August, Gemini South observations showed it extended to 30 arc-seconds, 56,000 kilometers. As the comet nears perihelion, the tail is expected to grow more visible with increased activity. By September 15th, it reached 50 arc-seconds, approximately 100,000 km. Hubble Space Telescope images from July 2025 estimate the nucleus diameter of Comet 3I/Atlas at 0.325.6 kilometers, 0.23.5 miles, with high uncertainty due to its reflective dust coma inflating apparent size and brightness. Early overestimates reached 10-20 kilometers, but the coma likely dominates, suggesting the true diameter is at the lower end. Dust loss rates imply it's under 1 kilometer, similar to 2I/Borisov. Swift Observatory's 4.94 kilometers estimate from water vapor is probably inflated, as most vapor originates from the coma, not the nucleus. JWST's 2025 NIR spectroscopy revealed Comet 3I/Atlas's coma is CO2-rich, 129 kilograms per s emission, with minor water ice vapor 6.6 kgs, Colorado 14 kilograms per s, and OCS 0.43 kilograms per s. Heavy 13 cCO2 detected. Water ice grains are fine, 1 micrometer, likely amorphous, sublimating 4,000–10,000 kilometers from nucleus via CO2/CO outgassing. SphereX confirmed high CO2. UV observations detected CN 17.6 G per S and Ni 4.6 G per S vapors, but no Fe, OI, C2, C3, or NH2, indicating extreme carbon chain depletion. Ni CN levels rose with solar approach, similar to solar system comets. Comet 3I/Atlas exhibits an unusually high CO2-to-water mixing ratio of 8, 0+1, 0 in its coma at 3.32 AU from the Sun, defying typical solar system trends where CO2 increases with distance. It resembles Oort cloud comet C2016 R2, while its CO-to-water ratio, 1:4+2, aligns with comets like 2I/Borisov. Possible explanations include a CO2-rich nucleus from radiation exposure or formation near the CO2 frost line, or suppressed water sublimation due to a thick insulating crust. Further JWST observations are needed to clarify. The nucleus of Comet 3I/Atlas is irregularly shaped, causing rotational brightness variations, but a dusty coma obscures it, complicating measurements. Early July 2025 studies failed to determine the rotation period. Raúl de la Fuente Marcos's team reported 16, 79+0, 23 hours using Gran Telescopio Canarias data, 2, the 5th of July. Tony Santana Rosa's group found 16 Fos-Duro, 1 hours from multiple telescopes, 2, the 29th of July, noting variations dropped from 0.3 to 0.2 magnitudes due to increased activity. In August, Virginio Oldani's analysis of Hubble images suggested North Pole orientations at RA 154 degrees, DEC plus 25 degree or RA 334 degrees, DEC 25 degrees. A July 2025 study deemed Earth-launched probes to fly by Comet 3I/Atlas infeasible post-discovery due to high DV requirements, 24 km per s, though pre-July launches or Mars departures, DV approximately 7 km per s, were viable. In October 2025, ESA's TGO imaged the comet near Mars, while Mars Express failed. NASA's MRO data was withheld. Juno may observe it near Jupiter in 2026, but redirection is unlikely. Psyche passed 0.302 AU away in September. JUICE will attempt observations at 0.428 AU in November, with data delayed until 2026. Europa Clipper and Hera may encounter its ion tail in late October 2025. In July 2025, astrophysicist Avi Loeb and colleagues speculated in an ArcSiv paper that interstellar object 3I/Atlas might be an alien spacecraft, citing its size, lack of chemicals, and trajectory. Critics, including Chris Lintott, Scott Manley, David Kipping, and Daryl Seligman, dismissed this, affirming it's a comet with observed outgassing of CO2, water, Colorado, cyanide, and nickel. Telescopes like JWST and VLT confirmed cometary traits. Loeb, previously criticized for similar claims about Oumuamua, called it a fun hypothesis but likely natural. Experts stressed the need for extraordinary evidence. As 3I/Atlas journeys onward, its revelations about interstellar origins continue to captivate astronomers, promising deeper insights into the cosmos.
Thank you for watching this AGNDD intelliReport, dear viewers. Please like, subscribe, and click the bell button to get notified during new uploads. And make sure to tune in next time. Stay safe and healthy. Cheers.